One thing that we want out of the 60-day challenge is for you to set some results that you want or some outcomes. In the front part of your journal, you have a sheet that says the last 60 days goal setting. And one of the things I want us to begin to think about is this idea that goals or the idea of goal setting would be putting out the results that you want and then ideally coming up with a strategy that's going to lead you towards those results. And so a lot of people think of goals as the result component or the outcome, but I like to think of goals as the input or the steps that you take to get the results you want. And so in this sheet, or on this sheet, we put desired results, and you have a lot of space here. I would like for you to pick 3 things that you want out of this challenge. 3 what you would formerly call goals, but you are now going to say 3 results that you want from the hard work you're going to put in. And this can be anything in the world, dumb fly. So it can be you want to improve your quality of sleep, you want to lose weight, you want to work out more frequently, you want to maybe not put on weight during the holiday season, you want to not drink, or you want to improve friendship quality, you want to be a better parent or be a better spouse. It doesn't really matter what the goal is. Let's put it down there. Let's give it a name. And let's say this is a result that you want to work towards. And then now, once we identify these 3 results that you want, we're going to spend each week putting a small step for you to get there on your weekly journal entry. So you'll have, for goal 1, you'll have a 1, goal 2, and 3. And then each week, you're going to take a small step towards that. So let's say it's, I want, and I think this is common, I want to lose 10 pounds. So week 1, your goal would not be to lose 10 pounds, or this area would not say lose 10 pounds. But that area may say, I am going to eat at home 6 days out of the week. Or I'm going to have 60% of my meals prepared ahead of time or meal prepped. Maybe it's I'm going to eat breakfast every day, because you know that if you eat breakfast, then you're going to do a better job of deciding something for lunch, which then will do a better job of deciding dinner. Maybe it's I'm not going to go to Starbucks. Maybe it's a handful of other things that could, are small steps you need to take to lose 10 pounds. It is not, I'm going to eat paleo day 1, or I'm doing keto, or I'm not ever eating a carb, which I guess is kind of keto, but it's not these extreme things. It is just a small thing. It could be with Halloween coming up to help you to help you lose weight and not gain weight. Is I'm not going to eat Halloween candy. Maybe it is I'm not going to eat junk food at work. Whatever it is, each week we're going to have that small step. And then after our 9 weeks of stepping, we should be stepping towards each week towards our goal. If your goal is to lose 10 pounds, you need to lose 1 pound a week. 1 pound a week during this challenge, and you'll lose 10 pounds. How can you do that? That's really easy. When we start trying to look at 1 pound versus 10 pounds, those small steps each week become very much more manageable. Maybe it is just taking some time away from having desserts. Maybe it's preparing all your meals. I guess I'm kind of repeating myself here, but let's think about those things. If your goal maybe is to improve your workouts, then you could go through a handful of things each week. 1 could just be actually attending workouts. Number 2 could be going to bed early. Number 3 week could be a protein shake after every workout. And then the goal is, after you start working on these small steps, they start falling into these, kind of move from a hard decision to an easy decision to a habit rollover. And then all of a sudden, they go into that final sheet where it says new habits formed. And we're starting to form these new habits that are going to work us towards these results. So that's how you use this sheet. We're going to identify 3 things that you would like to accomplish over the next 60 days. And then we're going to use those 3 things to come up with weekly small steps for everybody.